Have you taken a screenshot on your Android phone but can't figure out where it was saved? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this updated guide, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to find your screenshots on any Android device. Just follow these simple steps and you'll have your screenshots in seconds. Opening the Gallery app. Depending on your device, it may also be called Photos or have a slightly different icon, but the process is very similar across most Android phones. Once the Gallery app opens, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the Albums tab. This section organizes your photos into different folders, making it much easier to find specific images. Now scroll through the list of albums until you see one labeled Screenshots. Tap on it and you'll instantly see every screenshot you've taken on your device. Your newest screenshots are usually displayed first, so the most recent one should appear near the top. If you don't see a screenshots album, check other folders such as Pictures, Recent or DCIM, as some Android models save screenshots in a different location. That's it. I hope this tutorial made things easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.